What do you call on Yuletide?
Yuletide. What do you mean? Don't be Yuletide.
Park where Omoru.
I don't understand.
If you're over again now.
What's it? Yuletide?
Omabukuta.
Omabeokuta.
Omabeokuta.
What is it they call? I not be Yuletide season.
Yuletide.
Oh, Mr. God, why Yuletide? Yuletide. Yuli Edoche. Yuli. Tide. Yol Edoche. Yol tide. Oh, sure.
You don't tide the knot.
Voila. How you doing now?
I did fine. I did fine.
Nobody don't correct me before, so now you will be the first.
No, the way you talk are funny.
Okay.
But I know she's in that pigeon station with anyone will call.
You can your tile.
One na your tide, one na your Yuletide. Anyone. They know the meaning.
And the cocoa with that. You know, so we see they talk about Christmas time. So how you spend your Christmas?
Christmas, I did the family Christmas. I did my parents' house for IKD. So
I better talk on the way you told IKD and they think they have somewhere for America. You did Korodu.
Hey,
you can't say IKD.
IKD now. Just like I said, I jiggle like AJ.
AJ King.
Yes,
you did Korodu.
So the family Christmas, everybody did there. My brothers, my sisters, everybody with their husbands and their wives and the children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, you know, so everybody did in a full-fledged family Christmas because on the 26th, which was yesterday, my mama
birthday,
70th
happy birthday to mama.
So we'll do 17 a double party, Christmas on Sunday, party on Monday for mom's birthday. So
now kill different goat for Christmas, different goat for mommy birthday. Animal the same thing.
Animal year for that house now.
Oh,
animals here, all kinds of animals, chicken, goat, ram, all of them, even cow head here and for there.
I believe you.
All of them are, you know, so all those kind traditional kind of soup and all those. So you get some kind of soup now, only cow head they go take. Now you go bring out.
Waiting with that soup.
Like owo soup.
Owo
soup.
Yeah. Waiting they take use do that owo soup.
Plenty things. Like
but waiting be the main ingredient.
Starch could inside.
I don't want to talk on anything. I don't tell you the starch. That's the way I taste that starch and banga. The thing don't just go from my mouth.
So the banga soup. So on Christmas Day, banga soup day. On the birthday yesterday, owo soup day.
Okay.
Both of them go with starch plus plenty plus fresh fish.
Jollof rice in call.
Jollof
for those who know they chop owo.
No, jollof rice there and turkey and chicken and then fried goat meat.
Okay.
And all this stuff. Enough day with enough to drink also.
Okay, I see.
As soon as the Christmas switch, you know, so all these things cost money.
Yeah, so beto dun owo lo pa.
Yeah,
na money killer.
So how you do your own?
Well, I don't already talk house shilling. You understand? Because based on the fact say my grandmother too. Now every Christmas she dey clock another year. She don't know her exact year.
You know that exactly.
Yes. So anytime Christmas Day, he say she dey share birthday with our Lord Jesus.
Okay.
Christ. So anyway, so I can't even ask my mama say, okay, now we visit another birthday of Jesus. How will she don't clock now? You can't say, be like she don't clock 95.
Wow, your grandmother don't live long ago.
So no, 95 she don't clock right now.
Wow.
That's okay. So 5 more years we still will clock 100.
Wow.
So and one of the reasons why I no go out, she don't already know the reason. That's why I say I no go out. She sees say my mama make mama call me. As she dey come, she starts with the hey Rebecca, Rebe, okoti moko wale, iwo mo yi.
She won't carry your grandpa.
Yes, you know the song say her days are limited. I say why you dey help God count?
She fit even the same as advantage. You know, you they give her long life.
Thank you. Because you never even see my children.
Your picking. So God they beg and they wait. Say wait until.
I say you help God count. If God never talk say it's time. Why they count for God? They remind God say you get limited time. I say you don't have a limited time, Mama.
Now your grandma senior, all this our president and all this our head of state, all this Obas and all of them. Your grandma senior them.
But wow. Enough money no day. She for fresh like them, but she fresh swisher. But
no, she fresh. I don't see.
And my mama said it still complete at 95. Not one don't remove. And she say she still like to the waka.
And she still the waka easily.
Yes, she never started to use stick.
Can you imagine?
No, she know they use stick.
No, they use walking stick.
At all. God
really give the woman.
And her skin color still pop past my own. I made a shot say, Becca, I see your skin like me. Can't see skin like me for village now. Our own skin is the milk.
She get boyfriend.
You know they look for sugar baby.
You You don't get one old
Unless
man with
if that
the
sugar
around here.
baby go
You don't get
spend.
one 75, 80-year-old man with 80.
That one was too young for my grandmother now.
Who's kind 75, 82
My grandmother
young?
na 95.
No, that kind young man, because if you go put her own age, if you don't get energy like her, so she need man where she gets more energy.
She not remarried
So
since
Victor-
her husband died a long time ago.
Like how many years? Don't it
Probably,
like 20, 30 years?
yeah, or 50 years sef.
She no married.
She no remarry. You know why she no remarry?
Why?
Because the man wey she marry, she no too love him.
Okay, so the marriage no sweeter.
So
she don't want
from
to
wetin
carry
I
experience
hear,
again,
na
huh?
inside they force my grandma go the man house.
Okay.
My grandmother talk say na white man she wan marry.
Oh.
So she come dey wait, They say so one man don come pay her bride price
They come
already.
carry her. Oh, yeah.
They
Follow
say
your
one of
husband
those
go.
days, they just make sure say she sleep. They put her for inside sack, go to her for her husband.
By forced marriage.
By forced marriage.
Oh yeah, say your husband house.
So as the man died, she don't remarry.
She for Kuku look for Oyinbo man now.
As the Oyinbo no come now.
No, you need to create profile.
But she
for
don't
your grandmother.
remarry.
We need to look for create profile for her. Let some white people define. So that make she fulfill that dream before she die.
She don't back up now. As Oyinbo no come, I can't say make her help her fulfill the dream. She see the shout for
Because
me.
the way I see her, the way I see your grandmother for when I see her video and the way she take fire, but this be no, she still need white man.
So we go
arrange white man for
okay,
her.
we go put her for Tinder now.
Yeah, we go do arrange profile for her, make somebody come love her.
All right, still talking about husband and wife. You know, say earlier I be they talk to make people start to share their amebo with us, but a lot of you decide to not share amebo. Rather, you say in a ticket for KFC. You what? There's no problem. But we get one particular man we share his own amebo with us, and his story they touching, you know. So I just talk, okay, I go just play your own amebo, make it no be like I no play any out of the voice notes we don't they send. So the voice episode go again and the voice of one of our listeners we talk about what happened to Ram.
Hello, good morning. My name is Nonso from Makodi. My amebo this morning be say woman when I been married before. We had a son together. I helped her to get a job in Nigerian Air Force. She went for a course in Kaduna. I met a fellow soldier, and the soldier promised to marry her. She then now opted out from our marriage to marry the soldier. Now, the mother of the soldier, they were supposed to get married this December, but the mother of the soldier, you understand, heard the story of me and her and cancelled the marriage.
So now the amebo we
It's a wahoo something. So basically, he meet her. She know they work. They can't marry. He can't help her get job.
They
for
even
Air
born
Force.
now their son picture. Even send the son picture. Very cute boy.
She can't get job for Air Force. Can't go NTA, go training and all that. Only for her to fall in love with another soldier. So she said that one she wants. So she leave her husband and her son. One up out of the marry somebody else. You know, so now most on our own video we see this kind of thing happen.
Yeah.
I'm surprised. So what's he gonna make? And somebody may tell me something why they argue. Say a lot of times when couple helps the other couple succeed, when no be anything. Say a lot of time those people they betray them. Whether a woman help man when no get anything becomes something.
Yeah.
The man go leave and go meet
Another
woman.
person.
Or man train woman go school, help and start business. You go find out the woman will come the eye somebody else. Somebody they tell me say he get a lot of cases like that. Say now most times now waiting they happen. Even that say no, not be like that. It depend on individual. But this one one example of that kind of thing. Why you go leave the person when help you reach where he did. And then I feel say one of the reasons why they happen again because most people they see them like they see them like obligation. So because he help me now, feel like say I must marry him or he help me now. But they won't fall in love.
No, but this one, the help come after the marriage, not even before.
But right from before they even married, now they take care of her now. She don't get anything.
She don't get anything.
So her mind now maybe she marry him out of obligation.
Pity or out of pity.
Maybe out of obligation. And what happen when you don't marry somebody out of obligation like that? Say if I don't marry her now, they will say they're ungrateful. Now then they lead to this kind of thing in future. Another way this kind of thing they affect somebody now. when somebody marry you as rebound, maybe you date maybe be friend to girl, you and girl they be friends, she date somebody, maybe somebody supposed to marry her, come break her heart, she can't be suicidal, or maybe it's heartbreak, you did there for her. Now you dey encourage her, now you dey take
like
care of her.
Like a shoulder to cry on.
Yeah, you be the shoulder where she go lean on, the listening ear, the shoulder to cry on. You did there, she can't dey okay. As far as she's concerned, at that time, the savior where she dey see now
you.
So now you can't tell and say you go like one date another. At that point, she go like, this one make me happy. The love Phoebe say she just like the fact that you help her get out of a difficult situation.
Yeah.
It always reach time. Most times you go reach one place, say, I go clear. Say, I don't really like this person.
Really that my situation just make me.
And if the person don't marry already, you go come to find it difficult. But I don't hear examples of people like that. The guy should come say like, say I know I for don't marry her. You know. So can say, well, I love you as a friend because you did there for me. But in terms of marriage, no, I make mistake. Yeah, no, I don't love you like that. But see, out of obligation, that's why they say a gift obligates you. You be like, yeah, where they you don't reach work, I late. Why you late? Traffic. You know, the guy, they like you. They like you. They send you car. The guy come buy you car. If the guy say, me marry you, first you go think, he buy me motor. If I say no, now you understand. They go say,
after you don't collect car.
If it be say part of the reason because this person they take care of you, they make things convenient for you, so it's they safer to stay there. But what if no be? You cannot. After you come marry, you can say, no, we really person I want marry because in they caring. You know, some marriage will come eventually work because the woman will come say, okay, since now I don't find myself, now make I work
with them and grow
in love.
In love.
Some go find where their real passion day. Now example be this woman. So that's what me I say. So different situations like that. Some they make the most of. Like my mama go tell her that say, but tell when my papa won't come marry and she not really my man like who be this guy, you understand? Soldier. Say she don't want soldier because my papa the navy.
Yeah.
She don't want military man first of all. You understand? Her first husband don't die.
Okay.
So when my mama married at the age of 16, I did tell my papa for the weekend for what would they do at birthday? I say 70 years. I say look, so you born up my head. I couldn't take my head. So my head born at 50. I can't say Plus you be 50, right? I can say, mommy, you be 70. So you get belay at 19. Then suppose I arrest your parents. Now, my elder sister can say 19, they complain. Which age she take born? My elder sister would come to Auntie Rita.
Oh my God.
I said that true. I can't say Auntie Rita na 50. Supposed to be 53 now. I said she never died. My elder sister can say she born Auntie Rita at the age of 17.
Wow.
Say she married 16. Now I can say your parents get lost if they know they are alive. I for arrest them because it's child abuse.
Yes.
How they go marry you? He said his mama say he's too stubborn. And they say she's too fine. So too many men they come before she go useless for her side. The one we just come say one man and just get
I don't know what thing they happen. All our great
Now so my mama take my elder sister at 17.
Wow.
Then that husband can't get accident, can't die. So she don't even more 1 year plus, don't reach 18 plus. Then they say, look, another man don't come, which is my papa.
Yeah.
Another man don't come. This
but
one a soldier. So she know one soldier, they to the wicked, they get hot temper. And so they take care of money my papa. Say you must marry you. So
if you even talk, say she not be say she love your papa immediately.
She don't tell
grow
her,
in the love.
She don't tell her say what she marry, say I do to when she marry my papa, he did they one place. Today, meaning she don't carry go London. Tomorrow, she go the day house alone. That's also belay they give her because we be seven. He said that's also belay my papa they give her up and down. So you could just give her belay finish go London. I remember how they grew up in those days. They say a lot of pictures of my papa with navy, the navy guys. They go there for London. They go there for inside ship. I say sailor. My papa navy seal. All the kind of things, you know. Now I fight civil. Mama go say, wait till I go through for your papa hand and this is military. You go bring them, come and they go drink, spoil the whole place, scatter the.
I can imagine.
Say, so when my papa they even they talk yesterday for the birthday, they do toast my mama. Because say, waiting this woman go see for in hand as a young naval officer. Say in fact, he won't tell her saying love. Everybody go they clap.
That's so sweet.
He said because she see hell for in hand. Say, so my papa go they carry other babes.
Come the house, so.
Yes, now in the name of saying they do get together. Meanwhile, she they hear the gist, so they go talk.
No, mama try.
Saying before you country. So she thought say she not really love her. Now, but now later now, as she they born children, she just say, I don't leave my children for anybody.
No,
so she can't go to love.
See
and
now,
love
waiting with the talk. See, waiting our parents fit take at that time. Not this our generation. Never.
That mean that married now after 1 week they don't pack. I need to do again.
Eh, but you know me say waiting they go through at that time. They right.
You know they right too. No,
yeah,
I don't say they right.
You know makes
the patience way our parents get and I see and their orientation. The orientation there now say Now, so men are men. Women these days they're more independent. They don't really care. If you give them nonsense, they leave you straight. They don't feel stress themselves. Which I don't get problem with that one. Any man will maltreat any woman. The woman get right to work and leave you. But I won't be say. He gets sometimes at least make an effort. Now only when you don't reach abuse. Now I go say okay, don't make any effort. Run.
Not only when you reach abuse. So if they carry woman come out, never reach abuse.
Now. If they can't,
that one emotional abuse.
Not be only abuse, not only physical abuse.
Emotional abuse, psychological abuse, domestic violence.
Yeah, you get how you go they abuse woman financially. I need money to do this. I need money to do that. I don't get. But she not say you get.
Yeah, but they give women
outside.
Yeah.
They financially abuse her. Yeah. You go make say that she they drop children for school. You go let them embarrass her for school. Say your children never pay school fees. Meanwhile, you get the money. You understand? If they financially the abuser, if they wrong, emotionally you could tell and say, if you see your mates, fine, how you look.
Start to compare.
Any effort where she make, go ever appreciate what she look. Emotionally abuser, you are useless, you are not even smart, you are not even this. Look at the food you cook, it's not sweet. You go use your word, wash and finish. When you don't need that kind of abuse, run.
Run, oh.
But if I say normal, every couple must get one or two issues. Normal issue won't have you work on. No be saying that kind of physical or mental or emotional abuse. Try and work on it. Now when you don't reach one, you be say this person no see you as anything again. I don't support anybody stay they manage like our parents. But if our parents eventually stay together and
All right, talking about living or stay together. Now this year, let us know say they look for teachers for inside United Kingdom.
Oh, okay.
Where they find teachers, they want to recruit.
I heard it is where they talk when they come.
Okay, I don't talk. Say when you come, we go talk about them. So I don't even hear you say even from some schools for inside Nigeria for Lagos right now they don't they adopt that style, that culture where we say students feel stand up to teacher. And look the teacher into the face. I tell the teacher, stupid, you're this, you're that. So a lot of people don't come out to talk, say, this thing where they try to adopt, not be something where actually makes sense. Because if they complain, say
now private schools they do all those things.
Yes, they say private schools too. They don't do all those kind of rubbish things now. So I don't. Did you hear the parts of the guy where talk say they call one of them talks, are you deaf?
Are you the yes?
Idiot man and everywhere. You read that one?
I heard the one where you tell you enter class for board. They don't write what difference between a black person and a monkey.
Yeah, say the difference between monkey fit climb tree. To the extent say by the time you come back they throw away in school in the bag. By the time you come back the teacher they say why they intimidate these children.
I even hear the way you talk about somebody when they come on in wig.
Yes, they roll am. So I don't even give us finish. So the guy talk say he just dey very sad. Say he don't dey feel say he go achieve in dream. When he enter
UK to go school.
Yachale land. No, to teach, not to school.
Yes,
say, but at the end of the day, say, everything just say the guy say he get sleepless night. Say they happy. Say because now people don't tell and say if say you no feel live with this cultural shock, go look for another job to do. Say but now he don't feel like say they give up his dream because the culture of the obodo Oyinbo not allow him fulfill them anymore because of the stress we come with him.
Say their culture for that side they upside down. They protect the rights of all those LBG, QQQ, whatever.
Yeah.
Those people, they protect their rights more than normal people, and also they protect people. Although they push all those abortion agenda. So I heard the story of somebody where they arrested recently because he just stand in front of one building where the abortion rights people. He stand there, he stand there, can't they pray? They can't arrest and say why you go stand there? They pray. Say what you make? He say no saying shout. He just murmur some things for him mouth like he does the pray. So then say they arrest him. Say why you go do like that? Now so people where they push all those agenda, then plenty. The same way with school. When they go come make children. Say me I be former teacher. I mean when I serve, I teach for Kuramo College.
Okay. At any time they will be any of your because you even get this
I get
look.
now.
Me, I know they beat. I don't teach practice before. I don't beat.
I discipline some children with cane, but not be say you go flog them to wound the ball. At least they know say the cane enter.
Yeah.
I use cane. What? Now the school give me the cane, sir. So they are very stubborn children here. So you need to put the fear of God inside them. When you did here for just say after why they teach for Kuramo College, that the boys stubborn, the girls don't stubborn. And they only notice say the girls they look me like say. Maybe they look me like they fear or something like that. Not knowing say a lot of them like me.
Can you imagine?
Now when I can't come out, when I don't teach, when I don't they work later, some years down the line, one of them can call me say she don't finish secondary school now.
She don't become adult for height.
What I get girlfriend?
She don't adult for height like that.
So when I get girlfriend, because when I come on, I know because can we get your number? Because they like me as a copper teacher, so I can't give them my phone number. That was 2003, 2004. I can't give them my phone number that time. They don't even get phone. So when they come after like 3-4 years later, one of them can call me, introduce herself, and one of my students say, okay, I know you. And I remember that one they always look me. Say, she like me that time. So say she knows say good inappropriate. Say she don't reach 18. You know what I get girlfriend.
Rich.
You know that one apart for the boys are flogged. The boys you see, if not me they teach for all these foreign schools where we say whatever. If first I don't zero my mind, be say if I did this kind of school I don't hear say children they misbehave like this. I go don't zero my mind to block out anything where they do because I won't make money.
But when you go get to a point where we say they go push you to the wall.
And you go to use examples so they know if you report you with. For instance now, maybe by the time when they come see something for body they talk about say what difference between a monkey and a black person. You go tell them say they can say the monkey can fly, jump,
climb the tree.
Yeah, you go call them say well another difference is that a black person is the greatest basketballer ever. A monkey cannot play basketball. I will show them picture of Michael Jordan. He's a billionaire. Okay, if I even get chance, I will give them videos of Jordan with it. So when the whites racists see Michael Jordan, I say no white player. Don't be like this. I will show them Kobe Bryant. I will show them Shaquille O'Neal. When I show them the greatest basketballer, I say so. If you're a black person, be proud of yourself because I go show them Tiger Woods, the greatest golfer ever. Now I go use things to counteract. Say even though they look down on blacks, see what in blacks they do. Do you understand? So I go look for things where I go tell them say your racism no make sense without calling them foolish because then they look for what you talk where they go report.
Put you in trouble.
Now if the picking got tell parents say imagine our teacher was playing Michael Jordan, I don't understand. I didn't motivate children.
You say funny enough the guy called talk say at a point say he leave all those he don't leave like 2 schools already because of the first one are the one where they call me idiot. The second one I don't where they say black. He say consequently they do supply teacher maybe say temporary. Say eventually come do interview with one teaching agency, they accept him. He say another one, say he get to another fantastic school. He don't feel say those ones better. Only for the headmaster of the school to call him one day to the office. What he do? They say one of the picking they complain say he speak too loud. So he don't get sleepless nights.
The voice too loud.
The voice too loud.
Which kind of children did they bring out of that kind of school?
They come ask I say anytime they teach, may try it. That is like R&B, no go fit teach for those kind of school.
They go that arrest R&B self. If R&B all finish that class, you go outside, police all stand there.
They say they try to know why you voice. Say unless say the child. The parents say they go sue him if the child go deaf.
Can you imagine?
With his voice.
So his voice too loud.
The guy comes say, I am not a loudspeaker. He said I was shocked. He said I could not answer. No. He said the next day, another one accused of sexual abuse. Say he put his hand for one of the shoulder.
And that's
of the female students.
Those are inappropriate behavior.
They tell and say any form of touching or abuse. So that's why they suspend them. So they don't give him salary. After 3 months of no pay, the guy say now he hate teaching with all passion.
3 months.
He say he hate teaching. You know what they teach again.
So normally if you want to do that kind of work, and maybe that's the only option where you get. You go need to find out what they day against, and then look for smarter ways to overcome them. Like if they want to tell you about say.
What about the one where consider invoice? Where they say invoice too loud.
How
they like twist that dinner? No matter how much you want to reduce the voice
still loud. You go try control the voice. You understand? You go and then if the one
Wahala.
want to give you the impression like say blacks na poor people and all that, you go look for black businessmen. You go look for stories of black businessmen and their pictures and videos. So they say this one a black man where they employ white, so they work for them. So you go look for smart ways to take counteract anything they do, because the children duty now to come out you for that class because you be black person, and they go want try make sure, and then you say go keep your hands to yourself. Even if they say the beginning they cry. You get one movie where they watch where the teacher. So they give them orientation. Say this pikin, no, they're allergic to this, they're allergic to that.
Yeah.
So when they class, one pikin come bring one small candy come class, we get nut.
Okay.
Can't give to that pikin where they allergic to nut. The teacher no know. When they break, pikin gonna eat them, can't die. Before the teacher realize about like 15-20 seconds, you get all this all those things where they go take inject them. Before the teacher administer the thing, the pikin don't die. So they can't sue the teacher.
Wow.
What if the lawyer can't argue with be say what they can't say okay with the teacher they negligent? Can't say why the teacher know when the pikin he say he don't know when to say somebody insert all the bags. He no see that one. Say this pikin I die inside cloth. I know if he touch the true hand. Number one. Number two, the teacher papa they do life threatening surgery as at that time. They can't call and say your body enter theater now. So when should they receive the call, say, okay, how's my father?
That one
happened. You understand? Now, what did happen by that time? So she said she did distracted for a few seconds when that thing happened. Now I make her no know. Before she can't turn, it's like 15 seconds, can't go down. Now they come to say they go, naturally they blame. So her lawyer come talk say, you expect woman where they pay chicken change as salary to be a nurse, be a caregiver, and you
be a teacher too.
And you know if you touch your pikin, be a teacher and all those stuff. Meanwhile, when her own papa they do surgery, she not fit the hospital because she needs to teach your children. Meanwhile, when they live for very high bro estate, I don't know how the children go private school. One I know say some rich parents they hire extra hand we go sit down by the side of the class. Take your one I know do all those ones. So the way her lawyers take fight against the case, we say at the end of the day, people don't leave the teaching profession because of parents like this when they do the right thing. So eventually they find out the jury free her. The moment they free her, they go say they go pay her all her entitlement. Then she say after they pay her finish, she they resign. She know they teach again. She leave. So it be like that. Sometimes
even the reason why they look for all these Africans to come right now because even their own maybe white teachers too. They say they don't want to do it because indiscipline too much.
Oh, you never even talk about the other aspect. You say so you get some parts now. You say in the world right from UK, US, say you know if they call children male or female.
Yeah.
Now. You know if they make the
you don't want to give them gender.
Yes. So imagine what teachers they struggle with.
Wahala too much.
So that is why sometimes it's safer to let your children go school. Even though say no be as before that because your pikin go day class with person when papa and mama and man. Mama, woman, you can't
you get one video of I will send the video to you where I see. Okay, they say we don't do. Maybe they can't go for tickly news. Somebody don't send message. I type for tickly news, no problem. Maybe they go. Sunshine, they laugh.
Who be this?
All right, maybe they go for tickly news. R&B go there on board tomorrow and Thursday. Now you go run morning runs. Now till Friday you go hear the voice of Becca Bleeze. So for now, I don't hand you over to the capable hands of Godwin Arowayo on top workshop. Me, I don't vamoose. See you. Bye.
And there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.